Il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat igawdi reputazzjoni u rispett kbir fost il-Malti li jgħixu fl-Amerika. Stqarret dan Rachel Cini li hija Miss Malta USA tal-Komunità Maltija fl-Amerika li fuq xewqa tagħha żaret lill Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat ġewwa l-Berġa ta' Kastilja.
They love Dr. Muscat. They think he's a very nice man. And, we see him as a Maltese American as well. We see him as a fellow Maltese American as well.
F'diskussjoni qasira bejn Rachel, il-familjari tagħha u l-Prim Ministru kien innutat il-progress kbir li seħħ f'pajjiżna matul l-aħħar snin. Kif tistqar ukoll Rachel li ġiet f'Malta 3 darbiet.
A lot with the commerce, a lot with the buildings. You seem to be, not tearing buildings down, but taking the ones that you have and just really refurbishing them and making them nicer. Last time I was here 8 years ago, obviously it's a lot cleaner. Malta's very clean. You guys take very good care of your cities, so. And you're also doing a lot with there just seems to be a lot of booming tourism as well.
Apparti unur, it-titlu ta' Miss Malta USA iġib ukoll xogħol biris il-Komunità Maltija fl-Amerika.
In that you're supposed to, really get your hands dirty in terms of helping with the club. I, for example, I've really helped with planning different events such as pastizzi making classes, I can't say it, Jbaniet as well. The Maltese people, they're very proud people and we love just learning more and more about our culture, so.
Cini kienet akkumpanjata mill-ġenituri tagħha laqasmu l-ferħ u s-sodisfazzjon tal-opportunità li jiltaqgħu mal-Prim Ministru.